I will be showing you today how to snatch your eyebrow, how to outline, how to shape it, how to use a concealer, how to use a brush. I'll be doing a very detailed eyebrow tutorial for you guys today. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. My name is Shanisha. If this is the first time you're seeing me, hi darling, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for joining me again today. It means so much to me. You can see from the title of this video, I don't know how to do this. I'll try, but I don't know how to do this. You know these things they do with their finger? Anyways, whatever. Alright, so from the title of the video, we will be doing a brow tutorial. Yes, we will be doing an eyebrow tutorial. I will be showing you today how to snatch your eyebrow, how to outline, how to shape it, how to use a concealer, how to use a brush. I'll be doing a very detailed eyebrow tutorial for you guys today. These are the only products we will be using. So first off, we need a pencil, and this can be any brown pencil that you are comfortable with. Normally you would use the light brown pencil. Today I'm feeling like going dark brown, so I'm going with a dark brown pencil today. And next, you will definitely be needing some concealer. I am using the Pure Beige Concealer by LA Girl Pro. I am also going to be needing this trusty little tool here. It is a spoolie. You definitely need a spoolie. For my brows, they do not grow. They don't lay down. I would say they go everywhere sometimes, so I do need a spoolie to get them into place. Next, we will be using this brush. This is a flat brush that I will be using. I kind of got like a new brush set from MSQ. I got these on Amazon. Like, these are the new brush set that I got. I really needed some like really cute and efficient blending brush, so I was just going to see what I could find, and I found these. They were very affordable, which made it all the better for me. They feel so soft. They feel like so soft. So I'm looking forward to using these brushes. I swear that I don't really have that much blending brush. I didn't notice that I didn't have that much blending brush, but I don't. So I needed some more and I got them. So I'm yet to really try it out to see, because I used one. It was really good, but I still want to use the rest to see if I'm getting the same thing from everything. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Now, we are going to get into what everybody wants to see, how to do the brows. Because you've seen me do my brows before, but I've never really went like detail like I'm going to be doing today, so that you can get every little bit. Hopefully you should be able to do your brows after this tutorial. So I'm going to be brushing the brow into place. Let me grab something and move my hair. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is grabbing my spoolie, and I'm going to be brushing the brow into place. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is outlining the brow. So I'm taking my pencil. I'm starting right at the head of the brow. So this is the head of the brow, this is the body or the middle of the brow, and this is the tail of the brow. Okay? We're starting from the head. And what you're going to be doing is a light strokes. You're outlining the natural shape of the brow. So you're not trying to create a new brow if you already have one. If you don't have one, you can create one. But you're outlining the natural shape of the brow, and you're not going to rush it or push it. You're just going to be gliding with the pencil, okay? So take your time and let the pencil go. Now, if you want to bring the tail a little bit down, that's okay as well. Now for the top part, I normally start in the middle. So I take my pencil and in the middle, I do this. The same thing I did for the bottom, I do a light tracing of that brow. So I'm outlining the brow, going all the way down. Once you outline the top part of the brow, you make it past that arch. When you come all the way down to the tail, both of those lines are going to naturally meet together, okay? Then you do the same thing for the top, but you don't want a big thick line, so you go as light as possible. Now, after we're finished with this part, this is the first step. The second step is to fill in the brow. You see that outline that you made? If it's not straight, that's okay. We're going to clean that up later. The most important part is to outline the brow, the natural shape of the brow, and then we're going to fix that and fill that in later. So clean that up later. What am I saying? So what you want to do is take your pencil and you're going to be starting from the tip. So right here, you're going to be filling in the line, but you're starting from the tail. You're not trying to make any new strokes outside of the line that you filled in. So think of it like you're coloring in a coloring book, and you're not supposed to go outside of the line. Now, if you do, that's fine, but the aim is not to go outside of that line, okay? Now when you come up to the head of the brow, I'm going to be switching pencils here. I'm getting a darker pencil. I think they're about the same color. Let me see. I think it's actually lighter. No, it's darker actually. For this, what I'm going to do is make a little strokes here, going up. This is to create the illusion of brow hair coming out. After you get that outline done and over with, what you want to do is get your spoolie and just feather out this part, the head of the brow. If you want to, you can feather out going all the way out, just to get everything smooth and in place. Now we're going to be going in with some concealer. Alright, so we're going to be starting from the head of the brow, and how I do this and how you should do this is start from the head of the brow and then bring that line all the way to the tail. So you're cleaning up that line that you outlined first. You're not supposed to be going anywhere above that line. So think of it as you outlining the brow again, but with concealer. And the reason why I use a flat brush is because it gives me more control than if I was using an angle brush. Whenever I'm doing the top part, I sometimes like to just do a straight line going across. And that would be it for your brow. Now where this sponge come into place is right here. You can use it to kind of smooth out any harsh line that you have after using that concealer. You can smooth it out either up top or below. Just like that. Alright guys, so this is it. This is the whole brow tutorial. And if you realize that both of the brows look a tad bit different, and one of the main reasons for that is that they kind of grow different. Yeah, they kind of do. And I also cut them very bad. I will either learn to cut them a little bit better in the future, or I will have a professional cut them for me. But this is really it. This is the brow tutorial. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys are able to do your brow after seeing this tutorial. It was my pleasure doing this, guys, for you. Like,